Best deals.
1. Containers. Provides a tight seal to keep food fresh and prevent spills, BPA free for safe storage. Durable glass withstands high and low temperatures. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dosa tawa. Is ideal for preparing delicious crispy dosa, set dosa, chapati, fulka and paratha. Heavy-duty cast iron for optimal heat retention and even heating. The tawa is also suitable for use on induction cooktops. Can also be used for making pancakes, omelets. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Container. A non-toxic and BPA-free containers are absolutely healthy and safe for your family. It provides superior resistance to breakage. The jar has a stylish vertical striped design that is for every home. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Skimmer spoon. Generous size, perfect for deep frying, pasta cooking, and large batch preparation. Natural wooden handle stays cool during use and provides comfortable. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength for everyday kitchen use. A specially designed lip for efficient water drainage directly into the sink, making it easy to clean. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Coconut scraper. Designed for effortless coconut grating. Premium and durable, built for longevity and everyday kitchen use. Made with polished wooden construction, offering a sturdy and stable foundation for easy grating. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tongs. Are designed with a secure grips, featuring cute palm-shaped tips, ensuring a secure clamping when handling food. Heat-resistant, food-grade and BPA-free silicone made, that it's safe to use. Also dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Garlic crusher. The crushed pieces are then held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned or scraped conveniently into a pan or bowl. Additional cloves can also be crushed at this stage before emptying and is easy to clean under running water but is also dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Egg yolk separator. Are made from premium food grade silicone, ensuring they are both safe and durable for all your kitchen needs. The non-toxic material is BPA free and resistant to odors and stains, making it perfect for frequent use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Idli stand. Premium quality heavy gauge bottom and vessels made from heavy gauge stainless steel. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Pizza grill. Prepare a variety of dishes with these including pizza, dosa, chilla, paratha, pancakes, omelets, grilled vegetables, paneer, sandwiches and more. A versatile kitchen appliance for everyday cooking and snacks. Features separate thermostat switches for the upper and lower heating plates. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Shelf. Design adds a modern touch to any space while offering 2 spacious tiers to neatly organize your kitchen, bathroom essentials. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Can opener. It has a strong, stainless steel cutting mechanism that opens conventional cans with ease. The arms 360 degrees, you reveal 2 further tools, a ring pull lifter and a bottle cap opener, neatly hidden inside. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pan. Has a round bottom for greater convenience during stir frying. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Basket. Is made using original wicker which makes it more durable. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Dispenser. Crafted from durable ceramic with a smooth stoneware matte finish, these accessories feature an abstract human face design, adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Paniyaram pan. Works on gas, induction, ceramic, electric stoves. Patented titanium-infused enamel coating offers superior durability, enhanced stick resistance, and a lasting finish that stands up to everyday use. Even heat distribution ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cookware. The absence of any chemical will ensure that there is no release of any toxic or harmful fumes during cooking. The induction base with smaller perforation boosts faster cooking while helping you have lower electricity consumption on induction cooktops. Extra durable tempered glass lid allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, thus keeping the flavor and moisture in. Excellent heat distribution, retention, and endurance. The thick body construction makes heat transfer quick, even, and efficient, which means you use less fuel and energy to cook your food. Therefore, it is perfect for searing meats and vegetables that require high temperature. The combination of the aluminum base and the ceramic coating makes this kadai lightweight. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Electric popcorn maker. Delivers fresh, hot popcorn in just minutes, making it perfect for parties, movie nights, or quick snacks at home. The machine uses hot oil to ensure each kernel is evenly popped, providing delicious, crunchy popcorn with rich flavor. Designed with a non-stick surface, the popcorn maker is easy to clean, preventing kernels from sticking and reducing cleanup time. The spacious lid can be flipped over and used as a convenient serving bowl, allowing you to pop and serve in one step. Its nesting design allows for compact storage, making it easy to store in small kitchens without taking up much space. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Food dehydrator. Can preserve varieties of food. Produces nutritious food with very simple preparation. No food will spoil and go to waste with this food preserver. Built with easy-to-use one operational button. Choose to dehydrate with just a click. Scientifically tested to increase food shelf life with high heat circulation that travels through each tray. Effectively dries food by removing moisture content, shrinking the food but still retain 97% of vitamins and minerals. Comes with 5 removable stackable food trays or dryer trays. Since the trays are removable, they are very easy to clean, including the dehydrating machine. This dehydrator uses temperature control for food preservation. Maker of organic healthy snacks by dehydrating fruits, vegetable and make potato or kale chips. Preserve your food without using any chemicals, fillers, or preservatives, and enjoy its full flavor and nutrition. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Wall hook rack. Strong vacuum suction technology. Advanced vacuum suction cups provide a strong grip on tiles, glass, and smooth surfaces without drilling or screws. 5-hook multipurpose organizer comes with 5 durable hooks for hanging towels, kitchen utensils, keys, loofahs, sponges, bags and other accessories. Elegant transparent crystal design blends perfectly. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Kitchen sink. Pull-down spray faucet with 3 versatile spray modes allows long reach, and the high arc 360-degree swivel spout supply full range of washing access, allows extra flexibility. Sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. Integrated double ledge is great for sliding accessories and allows you to work different tasks at the same time, including cutting foods, washing a small load of dishes, draining foods, cooling foods in isolated water. Streamlining everything from meal prep to cleanup, saving valuable counter space. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Electric chopper. This powerful chopper electric for kitchen has super fast processing capabilities. Easy to chop with sharp stainless steel blades from every 360-degree angle. The electric chopper can evenly chop multitude of ingredients, including chopped garlic, onions, potato, meat, ginger, carrots and nuts. The electric vegetable chopper designed with 4 bowls and 2 sharp blades. One large capacity 1500 megaliters glass bowl with 3 100 megaliters PP bowls for different chopping use. Meet your need cutting multiple ingredients at once. The stack and press design makes this veggie chopper easy to assemble and use. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Tadka pan. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. No harmful chemical coatings. No food sticking. Pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Sealing machine. Comes with both heat sealing and blade cutting. Keeping food fresh is much easier with this handheld heat sealer. You can seal food vacuum bags or chips bags directly to prevent food spoilage. The built-in stainless steel sharp blade helps you open the package quickly and smoothly. This bag sealer is equipped with a built-in 400 mAh battery. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Drain. Made of premium silicone and plastic. Silicone underside FR prevents scratching sink effectively, non-deforming. Long-lasting protection against clogging, dishwasher safe. The kitchen sink strainer was perfectly designed with flower pattern. It made your kitchen feel cute and lovely, perfectly fit for pretty house mama. It will make you a good feeling whole day. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Dish drying rack. Crafted with a durable rust-proof metal frame and a sturdy plastic drain board, this dish drying rack resists corrosion and deformation. It's easy to clean, simply rinse under running water. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Cooker. Specially designed to cook fluffy rice, quinoa, couscous, oats, and other grains in the microwave without the need for a stovetop or electric rice cooker. Innovative rice paddle locks the lid securely during cooking, doubles as convenient carrying handles, and can also be used to fluff and serve cooked rice. Integrated colander makes rinsing and draining rice simple before cooking, reducing preparation time and minimizing the number of utensils required. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Casserole. Is designed with a finer grade of ceramic coating which is of light ivory color and gives a smoother finish. This formulation is uniquely designed to not stain even with Indian recipes. Casserole is crafted with pressure die cast technology. It ensures durability and efficient heat distribution. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Cooker. Has a unique body with rounded sides for easier stirring, better visibility and easy removal of food. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Mop. Are perfect for storage as they fit into each other and have a carry handle for quick movement. Twin Easy Bucket Spin Mop System keeps the clean and dirty water compartments separate and gives you clean mop head every time. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Spice jar. Your spices and condiments remain safe and free from contaminants. Airtight screw lids. Keeps ingredients fresh for longer with airtight, secure metal lids that prevent moisture and air from affecting the quality. Corrosion-resistant metal lids, durable, rust-free lids designed to withstand daily use while maintaining their sleek appearance. Perfect for storing a variety of spices, condiments, herbs, or even small pantry items like tea or sugar. These jars are reusable and easy to clean for long-term, eco-friendly use. Wide mouth opening for ease of access. Jar metal stand with steel finish that ensures durability. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Sandwich grill. It is durable, uses less or no butter, oil, and ensures nothing sticks that makes flipping easy. The ceramic coating is also easy to clean. Take a damp cloth and wipe it with ease. Thanks to its adjustable height, you can easily prepare anything from toasting a jumbo burger to grilling fish or simply roasting veggies. Also, the ergonomic handle helps you lift it with ease without having concerns of safety. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Electric lunch box. No need to looking for a microwave and wait in line for heating. Now simply plug in and heat up your food with the electric heating lunch box at home, office or in car, truck using the 110/12 of a volt power cables. Keep constant heating between 60 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius when plugging in, always serving you a hot meal. Using PTC original constant temperature heating, low consumption heat cycle to keep food at a suitable temperature and keep the moisture of the food. It normally takes 30 to 50 minutes to warm the food, super efficient and energy saving. Improved cover design. The cover will not move during use, more tightly covered. Because leak-proof seal ring design is added, it improves the defect of food leakage. Prevent fluid leakage in sloshing car environments. The electric lunch box is made of food-grade PP plastic and stainless steel, which is high-temperature resistant, non-toxic, durable, eco-friendly and safe to use. Warm tips. Please do not clean the heating base with water, and do not add water to the heating base. The car cable is used on the right port. The home cable is used on left port. Improved cover design. The cover will not move during use, more tightly covered. Because of leak-proof seal ring design is added, it improves the defect of food leakage. Prevent fluid leakage in sloshing car environments. 304 stainless steel removable container and plastic additional compartment which are removable for easy cleaning, and dishwasher safe. Tips. Please do not wash the lunch box as a whole into the water. This lunch tote is lightweight and foldable, sturdy and durable, easy to carry. Insulated aluminum foil makes the food fresh for hours. It's non-toxic and safe for your food, perfect to pack your foods in lunch containers. Product link is given in the 34th link.